I have LG G4 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the apps icon. Here let's choose the settings, so let me do it. Let's choose general and tap language and keyboard. So let's tap language from the top of the screen, and here you've got the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. In my case, let me switch language from English to Spanish. Let's tap on Espanol. Let's go back. And as you can see right now, the whole list of settings, but also the apps and the home screen is in Spanish. So if you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select the ajustes, tap General, choose Idioma y Teclado, tap Idioma from the top of the screen, and choose here the English, for example from United States. That's it, so everything went well. Now you can use your English version of your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.